more effective ways to remove plaque and tartar buildup. Plaque is a sticky film of bacteria that forms on your teeth. Think of your teeth as a cozy home for bacteria, which love to settle in and create this film. Over time, plaque can harden into tartar, an impenetrable fortress that only a dental professional can remove. Fortunately, you can take steps at home to combat plaque and tartar. In this video, we'll explore 9 ways to help you keep your smile plaque and tartar free. 1. Orange peels. Orange peels are more than just compost material. They can be a powerful ally in oral hygiene. The natural properties in the zest, when rubbed against your teeth, can help remove plaque. Simply scrape off the white pith from the inside of the peel, leaving the fragrant zest. Rub it gently against your teeth and gums for a few minutes. This method can refresh your mouth while fighting plaque. However, it's important to continue your regular brushing and flossing routine and not skip your dental checkups. 2. Tomatoes. Tomatoes contain natural acidity that helps break down plaque and tartar. Their vitamin C content supports collagen production, which is vital for gum health, preventing gum recession. Additionally, tomatoes are rich in antioxidants like lycopene, which protect gums and reduce inflammation, a key factor in preventing gum disease. You can enjoy tomatoes in salads, sandwiches, or as a sauce, but avoid products like ketchup that can be high in sugar and acidity, which could counteract the benefits. 3. Baking soda and salt. A combination of baking soda and salt can be an effective DIY paste for plaque removal. Baking soda's alkalinity neutralizes the acidic environment in your mouth, preventing bacteria growth. Salt, with its antibacterial properties, soothes gums and reduces inflammation. 4. Lemon juice. Lemon juice has antimicrobial properties and stimulates saliva production, which acts as a natural cleanser to wash away bacteria. However, lemon juice is acidic and can erode tooth enamel if used excessively. To avoid enamel damage, mix lemon juice with water to dilute its acidity. By combining these home remedies with regular dental care, you'll be well on your way to a plaque and tartar-free smile. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more informative videos. Keep smiling and take care of your oral health.